Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wells Fargo Online for credit card statement downloads. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.wellsfargo.com and press enter. Once the Wells Fargo homepage loads, locate the Log On button in the upper right corner. Click on the Log On button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you forgot your username or password, click on the Forgot Username Password link for assistance. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Click on the credit card account for which you need a statement. In the account overview, look for the Statements and Activity option. Click on Statements and Activity to access your statement history. You will see a list of available statements. Select the statement you want to download by clicking on it. A new window will open, displaying the selected statement in PDF format. To download the statement, look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click the download icon to save the statement to your device. Choose your preferred location on your device where you want to save the file. Once saved, check your Downloads folder or the location you chose for the downloaded statement. You can now view or print your credit card statement as needed. If you encounter any issues during the download process, consider checking your internet connection or refreshing the page. For further assistance, contact Wells Fargo customer support or consult the help section on their website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.